Okay, I just popped to the woods, get in the path so you can hear a lawnmower in the background. I'm going to do just a very quick video on a cooker review. This one, Go Systems, nothing to do with, I don't have anything to do with them. I think you can get them from Go Outdoors, not too sure. They take these little bottles. I tend to go for the propane, the mixed propane Coleman's one, or like this. Oh, here we go. Go Outdoors do these as well. Go Systems, you can buy them offline, whatever you want. And they are butane, isobutane and propane mixed. Propane means it doesn't freeze when it gets really cold. Right, so if you're new to camping and you're not too sure what these are about, I think they're about 12 quid with a couple of canisters off eBay. They're not expensive. They really are a versatile bit of kit. You can see on mine I've bent these over because they are pots to stop the pots. Well, I have a big pot on here, so I just bent them out of the way, but some of them don't even have that on. The canisters will take, like I said, butane and propane. They fit in quite nicely. So what you do, you just release this catch here. It's only for beginners, okay? They come with your gas already in it, which is of course, and there's a device out now that you can buy where you can transfer a nearly empty one and put it into another one. I'll show a video on that when it comes. I've ordered that bit, quite easy. So you put them in place with the, let me show you again, with that little nozzle. Fits down there like so. Okay, and then you've got this locking mechanism here which engages the bottle. So as you push that down, see the bottle slide forward and then it locks into position. And the other thing about these, it's got a self-igniter. So if you just turn that knob like that, if I watch, and there she is. It's that easy. They're brilliant. Anyway, we've come down, so I thought I'd show you this. If it was me and I was my first time camping, or even enjoy camping, these are a must, I say. They're a little bit bulky. You can get them with a carry case. Some come with a carry case, so look for that. Go Outdoors do them. Any camping shop, after the Decathlon do them as well. eBay, of course, and all them. So, and Amazon. So if you just have a look for either Go System, whatever, and don't go and spend sort of £70 on them. They're not expensive. They are quite cheap. Right, so what we're doing at the moment, we're down the woods to finish this video off. We are having, where are we? We're having caramelized red onion and red Leicester beef burgers with vegetables and a couple of eggs. And because we're in the woods, we have wild chickens, don't we, Jane? What? No, they're not really wild. Anyway, we're going to go and fetch some eggs, so you're coming for a walk. Okay, for a very, very little walk, just a quick stretch up here. Ooh. Watch out for the brambles and the nettles. We've had a bit of a, this is why we've been mowing, because up here it's so overgrown that it got a bit hectic and you're tripping over. Right, so we have a chicken in here. You can see him, there they are. Right, Chuk Chuk. One in here, see if we've got anything. Oh. Right, so there we go, that's one. There's the hatch up. Number one, let's put him down safe. Put him there. There should be, well, maybe not, maybe he goes. Yeah, I know. Oh, number two. Thank you, girls. Thank you very much. Bit of poop on that, but we'll wipe that when we get back to the cabin. There we go. Nothing wrong with a bit of poop. Cheers. Right, make sure they're closed up. They're over in the woods and they stay overnight and they're perfectly safe. We put bricks and lining around and they've been here up now for 6 months, and I'm not going to say anything more, but they're pretty safe. Okay, let's get back down. So we've got 2 eggs. James just bought a beer out, which is great. Yeah, we're going to have that in a minute. And also just remember to tell you that when you switch these on and cooking, they have a great, I don't know if you can see that. Let me just see if I can do that with the pan on. Fantastic simmer. You probably can't see that. So that's on full, but this can go right down to almost nothing. I don't know if you can see that. Well, you can, just about. very, very, very slight simmer. So that's it. So it's, yeah, looking forward to this. We got caramelized onion, red onion, and cheese burgers. And
Please keep the beer warm.
you always keep the beer cool because they're thermal.
Yeah.
Whoa! You just did a flip. Hope you're all right, folks. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful.
Oh.
That's all right. That's okay. We'll pop the eggs on in a second. I'll just take them off for a minute.
Is that on low?
That's, yeah, it's really good. These are. We've got a couple, haven't we? Well, that's it. We can even go lower. Look.
Got a blue one.
And they're very safe as well, especially in a tent or anything like that. They're really, really safe. So it's a bit of a cooker review, plus a burger and a beer in the woods. So we're just going to finish off dishing, and we'll let you know what these burgers taste like. Skål. Look at that. Beautiful. Rubbish bin. Are these silky heads? Silkies? These silkies, yeah?
Yeah. Have they got a dock on them?
No. So they're not fertile then. Oh, I thought yeah, you were hoping for that, weren't you?
Yeah, because next door wants some eggs. I'll have a look. Yeah.
Oh.
I'm seeing that, haven't
Yeah, James just pointed out, quite interesting. But just on here, I don't know if you can see that. Right, hold on, get the pinchers there, that bit there. So it looks like a bullseye. Let me zoom in on that. There. And that means that it's been fertilised. There we go. Oh. Right, servey time, and I'll let you know what these caramelised onions and red Leicester, it's not red Leicester, cheese, what is it?
you? You need a spatula.
Yeah, I haven't got one. But I have got.
Gravity.
And the beauty of this is there's a coffee pot, come kettle, come everything. So if you close the lid, pull that handle back. You now have drained vegetables. In a minute. Drained veg.
Sprouts.
How many sprouts do you want, Jane?
Not too much.
And that's it. Oh, there we go. Get them out, carrots. A bit hot. There we go. Okay, let's try this. Oh, cooked beautifully. You tried yours?
Cheesy.
Is it nice?
I dipped it in the egg. Nice. Juicy.
No, I didn't make it, but right, done that.
Haven't we got some venison burgers?
We have. That's the next video. Sprouts.
Christmas.
So, burger and eggs, vegetables,
Yeah,
and a beer.
You're off the bread at the moment, aren't you?
Yeah. And a beer in the woods. Cooker review. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. Take care, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one. All the best.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's a mullein moth caterpillar. It's huge. There's about a dozen on there, so goodbye mullein.